Good morning, Standard 7. I am going to continue chapter 4, the excretory system. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you about common disorders of the urinary system. Disorder in the urinary system can damage to our kidney. You can see here, these two are known as kidney, which can be damaged due to the disorder of the urinary system. It also can damage ureter, the pipe through which the waste from the kidney come to the urinary bladder. Also, urinary bladder can be damaged. Let us know what are the main reasons for the disorder in the urinary system. So the main reason for the disorder in the urinary system, it can be infection, it can be injury, or due to accumulation of urinary waste in any part of the urinary system. Let us know which are these toxic waste. These toxic waste are like urea, uric acid, and nitrogen salts. So dear student, the particular type of the toxic waste accumulated any part of the urinary system can cause damage to our kidney, ureter, and urinary bladder. Also cause some other disorder in the human body. So let us know which type of the disorder can be caused due to the disorder in the urinary system. So first, diabetes. Diabetes occur in the body due to the disorder of the urinary system. So let us know, what do you mean by diabetes? The increase of glucose level in blood then the normal level is known as diabetes. Dear student, when the level of the glucose increase, then the normal level in the blood, it can damage to our kidney, ureter, urinary bladder. So dear student, due to the disorder in the urinary system, a common disorder, diabetes, can occur in the human body, which increase the level of the glucose in the blood. One more disorder, high blood pressure. High blood pressure. The disease, high blood pressure, can increase in the body due to the disorder of the urinary system. What is the effect of high blood pressure? It can damage capillaries. Dear student, as you know, nephron is the functional unit of kidney, and glomerulus rust or damage which can cause damage of the kidney, ureter and the urinary bladder, dear student. So these were some general common disorder caused due to the urinary system. Now I am going to explain you the main type of the disease occur in the human body due to the disorder in the urinary system. So, two type of the disorder occur in the human body, that is urinary tract infection and kidney stone. These two main problems used to occur in the human body due to the disorder of the urinary system, dear student. So let us see, what do you mean by urinary tract infection? Urinary tract infection. In short form, it is known as UTI. The disorder of the urinary system is urinary tract infection, which is being caused by a type of the bacteria known as Escherichia coli or E. coli, which used to cause infection in urinary bladder, and the infection used to spread upward to the urinary bladder, to the ureter and to the kidney. So let us see the disease. Urinary tract infection is caused by bacteria Escherichia coli. Dear student, urinary tract infection is being caused by a bacteria known as Escherichia coli, which commonly used to live in alimentary canal. It used to enter to our urinary system through urethra. It used to attach to the wall of urinary bladder and start to multiply and cause infection. After the infection of the urinary bladder, it infects to ureter and to the kidney. So dear student, urinary tract infection is being caused by bacteria known as Escherichia coli, and after the infection, certain type of the symptom can be noticed in our body. Let us know which type of the symptom known to us. So first, irritation and pain. abdomen and lower back and also cause fever. So dear student, let us know about the symptom occur in the body due to urinary tract infection which is being caused by the bacteria known as Escherichia coli. It also used to occur due to the other bacteria or fungi. So let us know about the symptom occur due to urinary tract infection. First, irritation and pain. Irritation and pain during urination. When you urinate, too much pain and irritation due to urinary tract infection. Second, a frequent urge to urinate after each 10 to 15 minutes. Again and again, you want to go for urination. This is being caused due to urinary tract infection problem. Third, insufficient voluntary control over the urination. You are unable to control it. Sometimes it used to pass, urine used to pass while sleeping or sitting. Suppose that you want to go for the urination and in way only urine used to pass. Means insufficient control of the urination. Means you can't control it. Third, too much pain in abdomen or stomach and lower back and also cause fever. So dear student, UTI, urinary tract infection, is being caused by a bacteria Escherichia coli which used to commonly live in alimentary canal and enter to our urinary system through urethra, the opening through which we used to pass the urine, and it used to attach to the wall of urinary bladder. It used to multiply and cause infection, upward infection from the urinary bladder to ureter and also to the kidney. So dear student, in this video, this much only. Please you read the topic UTI and some other common disorder. Thank you dear students.